Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the summer special spiced buttermilk or the chaach as they call it. This is a must try every afternoon for best gut health. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of freshly fermented curd. I'm going to add this into the mixer grinder. One thing we must ensure is the curd is not sour. To this, we add small pieces of ginger. Ginger again aids digestion and is best for gut health. Again, we top it up with some curry leaves. This is nicely washed and added onto the mixer grinder. We then top it up with some salt. We then add some water enough to submerge all of these. And now it's time to grind it. Before we add any more ingredients, we run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles in the leaves are taken off. We then add some chaat masala to spice it up a bit. Chaat masala is completely optional depending on the taste requirements of different people. We top it up with some curry leaves, and now our 100% probiotic buttermilk is now ready to be had.